my dear children, welcome you all to our today's EVS class. How are you, my dear little ones? Are you safe at your home? Okay, very good. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of our chapter is Air and Water. The chapter consists of two parts, A, air, and B, water. Today we are going to start the A part, that is air, of our chapter. My dear children, are you ready? Shall we start the class? Air is everywhere around us. Dear children, can we see the air? Yes, we cannot see air, but we can feel the air when it moves. Let's see some situations in which we feel air. If we sit in front of a fan, we can feel air. And when we are running fast, we can also feel air. The moving air is called wind. My dear children, what is called wind? Yes, moving air is called wind. We can see so many living things around us, right? Animals, plants, birds, insects. We, the human beings, are living things. All the living things need air to live. Dear children, look at the picture. Which organ you can see in this picture? Yes, it is our nose. Do you know what is its use? Yes, our nose helps us to smell and to breathe. Dear children, what we breathe through our nose? Yes, we breathe air through our nose. Dear children, do we breathe well if we hold our nose tight? You are right. We cannot breathe well if we hold our nose tight. If we hold our nose tight, we felt uneasy to breathe. So, for the easy way of breathing, we have to remove our hands from our nose. Okay, my dears, have you understood? Now we know that we, the human beings, need air to breathe. My dear children, shall we do an activity? Okay, first we have to take a potted plant. Then we have to put the potted plant inside a bottle or place a jar over the potted plant. Then we have to keep the potted plant in 3 days. If we look at the plant, after 3 days, the plant begins to die. My dear children, do you know why the plant die within 3 days? Yes, if we place a jar over the potted plant, or if we put a potted plant inside a bottle, the plant do not get enough air to breathe. So it die. So from this activity, we have understood that plants need air to breathe. Okay, my dears, shall we read the textbook? Chapter 13, Air and Water. A, air. Air is everywhere. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. All living things need air to live. We need air to breathe. Hold your nose tight. Close your mouth. You feel uneasy. You have to breathe air. Plants need air to breathe. Take a potted plant. Place a jar over it. Look at the plant after 3 days. The plant begins to die. Plants need air to live. My dear children, all of you should read your textbook very well. Okay? So now it's time for winding up our today's class. See you in the next video. Thank you.